Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Amazon finds but jewelry edition. I've been shopping from Amazon for my jewelry since a few months and there have been some hits, there are some misses. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite jewelry pieces which are quite affordable as well. I feel like even if you wear something very basic, very minimalistic, but if you add on jewelry, it really takes your outfit to another level. And I've been really enjoying wearing jewelry and finding it on Amazon, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. So let's get started. I think let's start with earrings. I love earrings. I feel like if I had to pick a favorite category in jewelry, my number one would be earrings for sure. And it's all about hoops recently, since actually quite a few years, and I love the hoop trend. I'm actually wearing one of my Amazon finds right here. So these emerald hoops are for 200 rupees only. They look so pretty, but I will say that when you touch them and when you hold them, they do feel very light, very flimsy, which I feel like is good because you don't want a lot of weight on your ears, so it kind of works out. And for 200 rupees, I think they're really cool. And they're not basic hoop earrings, they're like statement hoop earrings. I really like them. Another pair that is definitely a statement piece are these huge hoops with pearls in them, and these look so good on. They're very big, I will say that, but they add so much value to your basic outfit. We have another statement piece right here. These obviously aren't hoops, they're like hoops ke andar hoops in gold. I personally prefer wearing gold jewelry, so most of it is gold or rose gold, and this is for 400 rupees. When you hold it in your hand, it does feel flimsy and lightweight, but does not look like it. Like, it looks very luxe and looks very well made. Another thing is that the packaging that it came in was really cute. Just wanted to throw that out there. We have some more hoops in gold and rose gold. Now these are for 450 rupees each, and I love these earrings. I wear these a little bit too much. They're hoops with small diamond studs all over them, so they look a little bit more like fancy and they look so chic. Trust me on this. There's also a silver available in case you're someone who likes to wear silver jewelry. I really like these. I've been wearing these for at least 2 months now, and bilkul bhi tarnish nahi hua ye jewelry. Another pair of dangly earrings. I usually stick to hoops, but I've been really liking dangly earrings as well. These are for 500 rupees. Again, comes in a few different colors. If I haven't mentioned already, I will link everything in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out for yourself. And the last pair of earrings that I have aren't technically earrings, they're ear cuffs. So if you don't have a lot of piercings in your ears, these are like press on cuffs that look so cool. Again, these come in different colors. I have gone for gold. There's a silver as well that's available. All you need to do is just kind of pull it like that and then place it on top of your ear, and it looks really cool. By the way, this is for 300 rupees. Now moving on to rings. I'm gonna be honest, I've bought a lot of rings from Amazon, and most of them have been misses because bahut hi jaldi they tarnish, and it's just very cheap, flimsy quality. And I personally prefer buying my fake rings from H&M. They make really good rings and they don't tarnish. They're not very expensive also. So in case you want to buy really cool gold or even silver rings, you can go to H&M. But I have found 2 sets that are decently good, I would say. The first one is this set of 3 rings, and I've gotten them, of course, in a gold color. बहुत ही chic है, but at the same time it's a little bit cool, little bit out there. I do quite like this. I have worn it quite a few times, but I will say one thing with all of the jewelry that I'm going to show you today: make sure you don't get it in touch with water, soap, perfume, sunscreen, lotion, of course, because this is fake jewelry, and if it does come in contact with all of those substances, it will turn green or brassy. Another set that I really liked were these pink, very Gen Z vibe के rings थे. ये भी काफी अच्छे हैं, and they come in a bunch of different colors. You can pick and choose whatever you like. I of course went ahead with the pink set, and it's held up quite well. Next category is necklaces. I really like necklaces. I think after earrings, Finds. My most favorite piece of jewelry category, whatever of jewelry, is necklaces. Again, I haven't been very lucky with finding good necklaces on Amazon because they tarnish, they're very cheap in quality and they just don't work out that well. But I've been really enjoying jewelry from Jiva. Now, Jiva jewelry is not cheap. It's at least for 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees, but I feel like it's totally worth it because बार 250 rupees या 500 rupees के necklaces लेने में कुछ मतलब नहीं if you're gonna throw it out in a week. It's better to invest 1500 rupees and this will last you a really long time. This is plated jewelry and they have the most beautiful designs. I will tag some of my favorites for you guys in the description box in case you want to check it out. I personally have been really enjoying wearing this choker style necklace. It has a bunch of little stars. It's very dainty and it just shines so nice. Like the diamonds in each star look so pretty. Goes without saying that I've gone for the gold variant. Again, they have a silver, they have a rose gold, lots of pieces for you to choose from. This is not budget friendly, but I just wanted to throw it out there because I found this brand on Amazon and I have been loving it. Then we have a body chain. I'm gonna pop up a picture of how you're supposed to wear it. It's very, very cool. It does look very similar to the picture. It's essentially just a chain, very simple gold chain that goes around your neck and it just looks really cool. You can wear it to a music festival or maybe in your day-to-day life as well. But I just thought it was so cool and will totally elevate your look. Let's move on to like bracelets and stuff that you wear on your hands. Vintage watches are back in style and I found some really cool vintage watches that are available on Amazon. So the first watch that we have is for 600 rupees and it totally looks like something that my nani used to wear. It's very, very vintage. I feel like this stacked with a bunch of different bracelets would be beautiful. Comes in a bunch of different colors like metals. You can do silver, you can do black also, that is available. I feel like the Casio watches have gotten so popular and I do own a Casio watch and it looks amazing, but it is a little bit expensive. And I found a dupe that looks very, very similar to the Casio watch and it is for 300 rupees. Comes in a matte black, comes in a bronze, I remember seeing, and a silver as well. Honestly, for 300 rupees, not bad at all. Again, stacked with a bunch of different bracelets. Dur se it literally looks like a Casio watch only. Of course, if I were to compare this with my original Casio watch, it is a little bit lighter, but for 300 rupees, I feel like it's really, really nice. Bracelets for stacking, मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छे options नहीं मिले, I'm gonna be honest, but I did find this one. Very pretty rose gold diamonds all over it and paired with a watch or just on its own also it looks very chic. I personally have very tiny wrists, so I really like it when you can adjust bracelets so that they fit me properly and they don't like slide down. So yeah, this one again has been holding up really well. And guess what? It's only for 300 rupees. With that, I'm going to end today's video. Today's video is very short, very sweet, but I hope it was useful, it was informational. I shared with you guys some of my favorite pieces that I've discovered on Amazon. Quite affordable. The quality is also decent for the price that you pay. Everything's going to be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you've made it so far, leave a diamond emoji in the comments down below. That's it. Follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!